Broke makes you settle. It makes you settle for a job that you hate, a life that you don't love, and a version of yourself that is nowhere near your potential. You were not born to pay bills and die. You were built for impact, not just to survive. Let us rewrite your financial story together. Let's connect. Let's see if my business opportunity can transform your life. Remember, there's no obligation. By you coming to me and asking for more information, it doesn't mean we are partnering or signing a contract together. It just means that you're open-minded and ready for opportunities that can change your life. If you are tired of settling, I want you to comment yes, and I'll send you my blueprint, and you'll get instant access to the Freedom Blueprint Formula PDF, your step-by-step to earning daily income from anywhere in the world.